Xiaomi has unveiled its new Redmi A7 alongside the Redmi A7 Pro. Redmi A7 battery packs a 5200 mAh with support of 15 watt. Under the hood, smartphone is powered by the Unisoc T7250 chipset with addition of an octa-core CPU. The Redmi A7 has an IPS LCD touchscreen display with 6.88 inches screen size and offers an 120Hz refresh rate, a 240Hz touch sampling rate. The Redmi A7 has a dual camera setup on the back, featuring a 13 megapixel main camera and front facing camera will be 8 megapixel, paired with up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 and a 128 GB of storage. They also include a microSD card slot. There will be a side-mounted fingerprint reader. Redmi A7 4G runs on Android 15 operating system and based on HyperOS. The price is $112. It is available in black and sky blue colors. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.